In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit note in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to enter so your accounts stay accurate and up to date. Let's start from your main Xero dashboard. From here, move your mouse to the top navigation menu and look for the option labeled Purchases. This is where Xero keeps everything related to your bills and money you owe to suppliers. Go ahead and click on Purchases to open up that section. Once you're in the Purchases area, you'll see a few different views and options. What you want next is the Purchases Overview. Click on Purchases Overview to bring up a summary of all your purchase activity, including bills you've received, what's awaiting payment, and any existing credit notes. On the Purchases Overview page, look for a button or drop-down labeled New. This is where Xero lets you create new transactions related to purchases. Click on New and a small menu will appear with different types of documents you can create. From this menu, choose Credit Note. Selecting this tells Xero that you're recording a reduction in what you owe to a supplier. Credit notes are typically used when you've been overcharged, returned goods, or received a discount after the original bill was issued. After clicking Credit Note, Xero will open a form for you to fill in the details. Take your time with this section because accurate information here will make your reporting and reconciliations much smoother. Start by selecting the supplier the credit note relates to. This should be the same supplier as the original bill. Then enter the date of the credit note, the reference or credit number if you have one from the supplier, and a clear description so you can easily identify this credit later. Next, add the line details. For each line, specify the item or service, the quantity being credited, the unit price, and the correct account code. Make sure your tax rate matches how the original bill was treated. It's a good idea to double check the subtotal and tax amounts against the document your supplier provided, so the total credit value is correct. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks right, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Xero will now record the credit note, and you'll be able to apply it to an existing or future bill from that supplier to reduce the amount you need to pay.